Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Junkyard in Woodstock, and this one here in front of me, we are going to look at a crew cab Toyota Tacoma. Now this is an older one. I haven't really seen many of these crew cab ones around now. It's obvious this one's here because of a collision. But before we go into this video, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Please do, as well as that like button. I would really appreciate it. It would really help me out. But yeah, have you done it yet? You guys, I can't move on until you do that. Come on, let's go, guys. Hit it. Alright, let's just get on with it. This one actually looks like before the accident, it wasn't in too rough of shape. Kind of a weird placement for the Tacoma badging, I must admit. I never was a fan of that, but the mileage, I can't tell. I think it says over there. 415 kilometers. Oh my gosh, this thing was high. But the frame looked... Actually, this frame's in really good shape. Wow. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's in really good shape for a Toyota frame. It was four-wheel drive as well. Rusty door. Kind of rough interior. And of course that's locked. Really shallow boxes on these. I must admit I kind of slightly like that. It makes a nice easy load in. Rusty box. Had flares on it. Probably someone took them because they were probably OEM though. And must have had load in the back when this happened, because the whole front of the box is just bent right in, and there's remainder of soil in the back. Tailgate is pretty crusty at the bottom. It's amazing, the body on this one is completely ruined, but the frame is pretty solid. OEM totally. Rear diff is dropped. Someone took the center out of it. And, well, looks like it was hit here too. Rockers are good. Not perfect, but they're pretty good. Look at that though. The frame on this side's mint as well. Someone oil sprayed this, I think. Yeah, it was oil sprayed. That's largely why this frame is still okay. Quite impressive, actually. Really clean overall, though. Press and turn. Is that the e-brake? What did that do? Someone please clarify for me. What did it do? I don't know. As you can see, the fender here is just mangled right up. But there was foam behind here. I guess foam held on the flares. And under here, I can't open it. But I think that's the V6. Which I think in this year was a 3.4 V6, if I'm not mistaken. So that sounds about right, because they had a 3.5 and a 3.6, I think. And a 4-liter. I think they're onto a 3.3 now. Yeah, this thing took a nice front end hit though. Well, not nice, but a big front end hit. It's never nice when it gets hit, but yeah. Love that it's crew cab, but this one here just got clobbered. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.